What's going on, everyone? Indy here with Ultimate 2 Reviews. Now, the brand Dovoh, they're actually a well-known brand on Amazon, sent me out another cross-level laser. I said, hey, I tried out the other version that had, the 3 different laser planes. Can you send me out just the regular 2-plane laser level? That's one that I use a lot more often. I really wanted to check that one out. So currently it's like $59 on Amazon right now, and they currently have a $20 off coupon, so you can get it for about 40 bucks right now, which is not a bad deal. And just want to unbox this thing, take a look at it, see how well it performs. So I've got a manual in there, got a nice carrying case here. Pretty much every laser level I've had has had pretty much the exact same carrying case. And this thing is actually pretty nice here. We've actually got oh cool, we got some rare earth magnets underneath there. So I can stick this thing to something metallic. I do have a USB charger. Let's see, this is going to be USB-C, so that's nice. That's nice and up to date. Anything else in here? Looks like that's going to be it. So let's see, this charged up at all from the factory. We'll find out here. Looks like it's pretty decently well made. This one is, let's see, this is going to be kind of a hard plastic here, but it does feel a bit softer. Kind of the same as this kind of, it's not like it's a rubber overmold, but it's not hard, it's not really soft, so it's kind of in between there. So here is the lasers, as we can see here. Got the 2 windows there. We've of course got the C2-120G professional laser level. A lot of these have a very similar build to them, where on the left side you've got the unlock and lock here. It's not too heavy, actually a pretty decent size. Here's kind of compared to my hand here, so about the same size as, I'd say, like maybe a little bit taller, wider tape measure. It's probably a good size to compare it to. So let's see if this thing powers on. All right, there we go. And they have definitely convinced me with the green laser levels. So I can see I've got the green laser hitting the wall over there. And let's get the vertical going. All right, there we go. That is nice and bright here. I've got some of my studio lights on right now, and you can still see it very clearly here. So let's try it out with some of the lights off in the garage and see how it looks. All right, so I've got it sitting on top of this piece of furniture here. Now, it's not going to be level on the horizontal plane here, but it will be on the vertical plane here. So as we can see, it's a nice green laser level here. We've got pretty decent throw here up and down. When we go all the way up, notice this, we're getting that laser basically directly above that. That is really, really nice to see just how far that throws the laser. And when we go over to the left, we're pretty much getting it going almost exactly from the left and the right side. Fantastic, and it's staying just as bright. I do notice on the left side here, I know that we have it tilted on this piece of furniture a little bit. It does get a little bit smaller, a little bit dimmer as we get over there. So just something to be a little bit aware of. But if you're just using it on one wall, it's going to have fantastic throw of that light, and it's very, very bright as well too. I've got just a few lights on behind me so we can kind of see clearly, but I think the lights facing this direction are all off, so we can see just how well and how bright this thing looks. Depending on the surface you're shining this on, you can see, just how bright it gets when it's hitting some of the metal in my garage door there. Now my ceiling is white with a popcorn ceiling here, and you can see, a little bit of the tail end there. It's a little weak, that's kind of to be expected on most laser levels, but it stays very bright pretty much the whole way, especially when it hits that corner and comes all the way down. Very impressive there. I like the green laser levels a lot. I've used pretty much red for the most part, but I never really gave green lasers a shot. Definitely impressed with it. Looks fantastic. All right, let's play with some of the settings here. So there is off. First setting is going to be a horizontal line. Then we're going to have a vertical line. The next one is going to be both lines. And then assuming that the next one will be off. Now I will say I do like the leveling feature here. So if you're not level, like if I just set it on my trailer here, which is of course not level sitting like this, it's going to be flashing for me. It's going to tell me that I'm not level, basically in a front to back level. So that's what it's telling me there. So if I pick this up and don't do this because it's currently not locked, it's just going to be flopping around a little bit. Now it's telling me, hey, that's level. There you go. So I do like that actually a lot. Great feature there to make sure that you're staying level. And let's see if I want to zoom in on where they cross there. Let's see how well that looks. So you can see right where the two lasers meet in the center. That is quite clear, very easy to see. No real, distortion or anything there, where it kind of looks a little funny. Very easy to read where those two lasers cross, so that's great there. Well, I think it's actually a fantastic deal for coming in right around $40. Yeah, I do like the overmolding on it. It looks nice. The orange is nice and clear to see, if you kind of gets lost somewhere on a job site. Pretty easy to see, where it is with the orange. I'd like to see just how well these things hold up over time on a job site, Of course, you don't ever want to drop one of these. You're going to break something. Laser levels are not known to be the most durable of tools, of course, but, you got to have some durability in tools. That's just how it works, on a job site. So overall, though, I think for $40, I think it's actually a fantastic deal. It does include a charger. Not the actual, USB wall adapter, which I wish it did. Those are always nice to have, but hopefully you have one laying around. Or you just have a USB-C charger, for like an iPad as well. Right there is your charging port. Nice little rubberized piece to cover that over with. Fantastic. You do, of course, on the bottom have a tripod mount there as well. And, of course, we do have a magnetic mounting bracket here with, of course, the screw for mounting this on the bottom. So that is fantastic to see. I think overall it's a fantastic package from Dovoh, and definitely worth checking out. For about $40, you just need to do a small project and you still want to buy, a somewhat quality laser, but you don't want to spend $100 plus. I think this might be the one for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and have a great day.